You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. This body baby oh. This body baby oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel late, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Oh, yeah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, here, wine I'm through. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Olama, and if it's your first time watching me, welcome once again. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this kinky crochet wig, and I hope you guys like it just as much as I do, because I love it. I don't know if it's coming out the way it looks in the mirror when I look at myself, but I love it, guys. So if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do not forget to subscribe right now ASAP. Just click the subscribe button and then like this video if you like it. If you don't like it still, and leave your comments down below if you have anything to say about this look. If you have anything to contribute about this look, just leave your comments down below. With all that being said, let's get right into the video, guys. For this look, I'll be using this Cuban twist kinky product that I got from my local beauty supply store. Initially I wanted to get this very short kinky hair, but I couldn't find it, so I had to get this one. I'm just gonna cut it. Using my scissors, I'll be cutting this hair in 3 halves just because I'm going for a very short look. But if you're going for something longer, you should probably leave it the way it is or not cut it at all.
You don't know. Vicky's bad man point instrumental, giving them one time. It's
I bought this wig cap from either AliExpress or Amazon, I'm not sure, but one thing I like about it is it has clips in it, so I don't have to worry about my wig coming off. So I'm basically going to be doing the regular crochet style. It's pretty self-explanatory, just don't go anywhere, keep watching.
You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. This body baby oh. This body baby oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel late, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Oh, yeah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah.
I'm just going to put my wig on, and this wig has clips in it, so I'm just going to be clipping that to my hair, and using the scissors I'll cut out the excesses and use my hands to shaping it just the way I want it to be shaped. And I'm so excited about this hair because it came out just the way I wanted it, and I hope it comes out the way you want it as well when you try it. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and all of that good stuff. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Wine I'm slow, this one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me. Baby make you follow me, I go give you all of me. Omo Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want her more. That me blow. Tell me what you want, let me know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Let me blow. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. You don't know. Vicky, bad man, point instrumental, giving them one time. It's okay. Bad man, take you.